Another frontal install, working on the baby for a client. Yeah. Try to finish this with the client today. Hopefully she can get her hair tomorrow. Yep. See, let me show you so you guys can see. This is a frontal. You see, I'm installing a frontal. Yeah, this client had a frontal that she really didn't like, and to be honest, it didn't look good. So I'm just putting a new frontal on her wig. We can reconstruct your wigs that need frontal or closure repair. We have some closure, we have some frontal that we can add to your wig. So yeah, if I can do it, I will let you know. I'll be honest with you, but if I can try my best, I will tell you. So when this baby is finished, you see how she look.